In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive records in Airtable. Whether you're managing a project, keeping track of business data, or simply organizing personal databases, knowing how to effectively archive records in Airtable can keep your workspace tidy and efficient. Let's walk through the process together step by step. First, you'll want to start by heading over to Airtable. Once you're there, open up the project that you prefer to work on or the one that you need to organize further. Now, it's time to create a system for identifying which records you'll move to an archive later on. So, take a look at your interface. You'll want to locate the option that says Add Field. This is typically a pretty visible button on your Airtable dashboard, so you should find it easily. Next up, once the field options open up, you need to assign a name to this field to keep things organized. Let's go ahead and label it Archived. This label will serve as an identifier for any records you decide to archive in the future. Following that, you have to choose the appropriate field type. Airtable provides several options for this, but for our purposes, select Single Select or Checkbox. Both of these options work effectively for marking records as archived. When you're set, proceed by clicking on Create New. This step is critical because it officially adds your new archived field to the structure of your project. Now, our next task is to focus on creating a specific view for your archived records. Airtable uses a view system to let you organize records based on different criteria. Start this part by selecting Grid. Grids are particularly good for organizing and visualizing your data in the traditional table format. With a new grid in place, it's time to give it a meaningful name. You're in charge of its purpose, so let's call it Archived. This will easily distinguish it from the other views that you may have in your project. At this point, go ahead and click on the Filter button located at the top of your screen. This is where you can set sortable conditions for your records. Finally, set the filter condition to only display records with the Archived field marked accordingly. This means it'll only show the records you've flagged for archiving, keeping everything streamlined. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a system for archiving your records in Airtable, ensuring your workspace remains tidy, functional, and organized for future tasks. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful Airtable tips.